evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the 20th edition of NDTV Indian of the Year 2025.
This evening we gather at a moment when India is not merely witnessing change, it is willing it into existence. Across our cities and villages, our laboratories and boardrooms, our studios and stadiums, a new confidence is taking shape, a confidence born not of chance, but of intent, of individuals who dared to imagine differently and then chose to act. Now, NDTV conducted an exhaustive and meticulous process of shortlisting change makers in each category before our esteemed jury elected the winners.
Let's begin the evening by introducing to you the jury for the NDTV Indian of the Year 2025.
For over 2 decades, the NDTV Indian of the Year has celebrated the remarkable achievements of individuals and institutions who have shaped the very idea of India. This year, 6 distinguished figures from across public life gathered for a careful and considered evaluation of our winners. Sanjeev Goenka, Chairman, RP Sanjeev Goenka Group. Rajiv Memani, Chairman and CEO, EY India and President CII. Cyril Shroff, Managing Partner Cyril Amarchand Mangaldas. Sharmila Tagore, veteran actor and former chairperson, Central Board of Film Certification. Rajiv Kumar, former Vice Chairman Niti Aayog. P. Gopichand, Chief National Coach of the Indian Badminton Team and former All England Champion. Their reflections led to the distinguished winners we honored this year. Choices shaped by the spirit of the theme, ideas, inspiration, impact, celebrating India's moment of brilliance.
It's always a privilege to be part of the NDTV jury.
It was really wonderful. I think we had a good, sort of like-minded jury.
And also it was a very difficult choice among who would be missing out.
I was quite surprised with all the nominations, so it shows that the net was cast quite wide to collect a whole range of people under different categories.
The country is in a once-in-a-generation churn where we are seeing shift from small incrementalism to big structural changes.
It's so difficult to decide which one. But at the end of the day, there has to be only one winner.
NDTV Indian of the Year 2025.
A round of applause for the time and stellar work that our jury put into this.
But before we proceed, let's take a minute really to thank those who made this evening possible. Our sponsors.
NDTV Indian of the Year 2025 is presented by RP Sanjeev Goenka Group, powered by Raymond Group, co-powered by Gallant Group, co-powered by Adani Energy, State Partner, Government of Uttar Pradesh and Government of Uttarakhand, Social Impact Partner, M3M Foundation.
Sustainability Partner, ProStar M Infosystems Limited, Credit Score Partner, CRIF Highmark Credit Bureau, Industry Partner, Darwin Platform Group of Companies, Stationery Partner, Natraj, Charging Partner, Adani Power, Associate Partners, Just Rights for Children, Axis Max Life Insurance, and Art House Glassware.
Gifting Partner, Manav Manglani. All right, are we set? We're going to start our first award of the night, which is for the Debutant Actor of the Year. Tonight we celebrate a first step that left a lasting impression. To give away the first award of this evening, we would like to invite on stage Rahul Kanwal, CEO and Editor-in-Chief, NDTV.
Sachin Seth, Chairman, CRIF Highmark Credit Bureau. Sachin brings nearly 3 decades of global experience in fintech, digital, and tech. Can we please have Sachin on stage? And of course, can we also have the envelope, please?
Award goes to Ahan Pandey.
Woo!
Our favorite.
And I know I owe this to
Mohit Suri, Aneet Padda, my wonderful co-actress, the whole team of Sayara, Sumanna, Sankalp, all of you all were wonderful, but I know I owe this to my grandmother. She's not here anymore. She's somewhere up there in the Milky Way, beyond the galaxy. But I know she's dancing because I found my calling, and this might look like silver to you guys, but I won my gold. So thank you.
All right, our next category is Disruptor of the Year. This award recognizes those who challenge the status quo, broke conventions, and changed the rules of the game.
And for our list of nominees, to give away this award, we'd like to invite on stage Rajiv Memani, Chairman and CEO at EY India and member of the Indian of the Year jury, and
Mr. Rohit Khanna, Head Corporate Communications, and Jatin Khanna, Head Corporate Development, Raymond Group. As Raymond celebrates its centennial year, it has been a custodian of craft style and a pioneer in India's journey from fiber to fabric and fashion.
Hi, Disruptor of the Year, Sridhar Vembu.
the Disruptor of the Year, NDTV Indian of the Year 2025, is none other than Sridhar Vembu.
Our next category is for Social Impact of the Year, and the nominees are
To give away the award, we'd like to invite back on stage Mr. Rajiv Kumar, Vice Chairman of Niti Aayog, who was on the Indian of the Year jury this year, Mr. Ravi Kant, National Convener, Just Rights for Children. Just Rights for Children, Vedika, is one of the world's largest civil society networks dedicated to ensuring that crimes against children do not go unpunished.
And the winner is Bhim Singh Bhavesh.
Moving on to our next category, which happens to be Health Leader of the Year. And the nominees are... To give away the award, we'd like to invite Kiran Nadar, founder, Kiran Nadar Museum of Art.
Anurag Chauhan, Director, General Counsel and Company Secretary, Axis Max Life Insurance, which is one of India's leading life insurers with operations spanning over 2 decades.
The Health Leader of the Year award goes to Dr. Ashish and Kavita Sadat.
A round of applause, please, for our winners. All right, our next category is Actor of the Year Female, and the nominees are... And to give away the award, we would like to invite back on stage Kiran Nadar, founder, Kiran Nadar Museum of Art, Dr. Payal Kanodia, Chairperson and Trustee, M3M Foundation, which works to bring development across all sections of the society, including education, health, livelihoods, and environment conservation. And business entrepreneur Manav Gangwani.
Proud to say, the Actor of the Year Female, I'm sure you all know, Janhvi Kapoor.
A huge round of applause for Janhvi Kapoor.
Before I ask my questions, of course, give us the acceptance speech, Andy.
I hope you guys don't mind if I take a little bit more than a minute with my acceptance speech. It's just that this means a lot to me, and it's my first award for this very special film that I've done, and Neeraj sir, my director, is in the audience today. It's ironic because I did this film really without wanting anything in return or having any sort of expectations, which is something that you seldom do in the industry that I come from. And so it really is ironic that this is the film that's given me the most, and I don't mean in tangible ways like the awards or the recognition or the crazy world tour that the film has been on, but I mean in the ways that it's made me recognize the person that I want to be, the kind of artist that I want to be. It's made me sensitive to, I guess, the cracks in our society, but also the unimaginable hope and goodness in it, the beauty in it, the terror in it, the division in it, but also the unity in it. And for all of these reasons, I'm extremely grateful to be a part of this journey. I'm extremely grateful to Neeraj sir for seeing something in me that on most days I can't even see in myself. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Janvi, and once again, congratulations on the award.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Arun.
Well, our next category is Director of the Year, and the nominees are... And to give away the award, we would like to invite back on stage Chief Justice of India, Justice Surya Kant, please.
Our jury member, Rajiv Kumar, former Vice Chairman of the Niti Aayog.
And Mr. Mayank Agarwal, CEO, Gallant Group. Gallant Group is a conglomerate with a diverse portfolio spanning steel and cement manufacturing, power generation, real estate, and agroing since the year 1984.
The Director of the Year award goes to Neeraj Ghewaan.
We have a huge round of applause, please, for Neeraj Ghewaan.
कुछ फिल्ममेकर ऐसे होते हैं जिनकी कहानियां थिएटर में देखकर हम शोर मचाते हैं, पर कुछ ऐसे होते हैं जो हमारे अंदर शोर जगा जाते हैं, जो शायद थिएटर से निकलने के बाद हमें सोचने पर मजबूर कर जाते हैं, कैमरा बंद होने के बाद अंदर के इंसान को जगा जाते हैं। मसान से होमबाउंड से आपकी कहानियां ऐसी ही हैं। बहुत सारे सफल लोग यहाँ पर हैं, लेकिन जब होमबाउंड हम देखते हैं तो हमें लगता है कि वो जो सफलता के पीछे खामोशी है, वो जो कुर्बानी है, उसे आपने एहसास झकझोर दिया। ये अलग फिल्म में क्यों? मसान, होमबाउंड?
देखिए, क्योंकि मीडिया में या मेन स्ट्रीम मीडिया में अगर कहूँ तो कहानियाँ जो बोली जा रही हैं वो शायद सिर्फ 15% पॉपुलेशन की बोली जा रही हैं, और शायद वही लोग अपनी कहानियाँ बता रहे हैं, लेकिन रेस्ट ऑफ इंडिया उसकी बातें कोई नहीं कर रहा। पीपल हु आर मार्जिनलाइज्ड, पीपल हु आर इन द विलेजेस, पीपल हु कम फ्रॉम डिफरेंट बैकग्राउंड्स, देयर स्टोरीज आरंट बीइंग टोल्ड। सो I thought that why shouldn't I look at it? Because in Hindi cinema or across media, we see that most of the stories are limited to the 15% population of India, and we're ignoring a large percent of the population. Maybe that's why.
जब आपको लेकर ऑस्कर की चर्चा हो तो ये नर्वस करता है या जिम्मेदारी बढ़ाता है?
मैं आपको यकीन से कह रहा हूँ, मैं बहुत नर्वस हूँ और एक्साइटेड भी हूँ, और बल्कि इसलिए नहीं कि क्योंकि हमारी फिल्म है, बल्कि इसलिए क्योंकि ये इतनी बड़ी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, ये पूरे देश की जिम्मेदारी है और हम लोग देश को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं, तो वो मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी गौरव की बात है और बहुत बड़ी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी से जो मैं कैरी कर रहा हूँ, और इसके लिए मैं तत्पर कोशिश करूँगा, बहुत मेहनत करूँगा। लेकिन मैं आपको ये बताऊँ, मैं उम्मीद नहीं कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि मैं चाहता हूँ कि जो होगा सही होगा, बस मैं मेहनत करना चाहता हूँ और अपने देश का गौरव आगे बढ़ाना चाहता हूँ।
शुक्रिया इन कहानियों के लिए, शुक्रिया उस अंदर के इंसान को झकझोरने के लिए। एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए।
All right, thank you, Neeraj. Congratulations. That gift is for you from Mr. Manav Gangwani. All right, our next category is Business Leader of the Year, and the nominees are...
To give away the award, we'd like to invite on stage Chief Justice of India, Justice Surya Kant,
Dr. Sanjeev Goenka, Chairman, RP Sanjeev Goenka Group,
and NDTV's very own Rahul Kaval.
Please come on stage, sir. Thank you.
So the award for the Business Leader of the Year goes to Sunil Vachani.
Congratulations, sir. If you could stay back on stage, Mr. Vachani. We have Tamanna with us, Managing Editor, NDTV Profit, joining you.
Thank you. Many congratulations, Sunil.
Thank you so much. Thank you, NDTV, and thank you, the jury members, for this recognition.
This is very well deserved. You know, while I was talking to a lot of people outside, not everyone realizes what Dixon has done. It is the poster child, I would say, in the corporate space of Make in India. When we feel proud about phones now being made more and more in India and not imported from China, this is the company that does it, isn't it?
Thank you so much. When I was just sitting here, I was just reflecting, and like you rightly said, that how far we have come, in the industry and in the country. And we remember the times, I'm talking about maybe 20 years back, when I think all the mobile phones which are sold in the country were imported. And fast forward to now, I think mobile phone as a product, as a single category, is the largest category of exports. We export phones worth almost $40 billion. So I think, we've really come a long way. And, people ask me that what's the biggest change that happened? And I think, to me, the biggest change is the change in the mindset. I remember our Honorable Prime Minister, talking about, I think it was 10 years back, when he said, we need to make, India the next hub for manufacturing for the world. And I think that was the biggest change that happened. Thank you, Taman. Thank you.
All right, if you could just stay back, sir, for a gift that we can just hand over to you.
Now moving on to our next category, Sports Performance of the Year. And the nominees are...
And to give away the award, we would like to invite on stage once again the Chief Justice of India, Justice Surya Kant.
Dr. Sanjeev Goenka, Chairman RP Sanjeev Goenka Group and the Chair of the Jury for NDTV Indian of the Year 2025.
And Mr. Rahul Kanwal, CEO and Editor-in-Chief, NDTV.
For this special honor, I'd like to invite the Chairperson of the ICC. Can we have a round of applause as we welcome on stage Mr. Jay Shah.
So the award in the Sports Performance of the Year goes, and very befittingly, to the Indian women's cricket team.
I also want to tell everyone that while the semi-final was going on, I was on the phone with one gentleman who was very charged up, very excited. He said, Rahul bhai, match dekha? I said, haan, dekh rahe. And it was looking very tough and stuff, right? I'm the kind of guy who thinks, yaar, bahar rahe hain, kya kare? And these girls, Jemima and everyone else, has given us so many heartbreaks in the past that I was actually thinking, yeah, mushkil hi lag raha hai, kya kare? Anybody I have to be sitting and watching, but kind of anticipating that something's not going right. Jaisa said, dekh, ye jeetenge, ye bhi jeetenge, final bhi jeetenge. And he was super confident and very charged up. ऐसे यार ये पहले भी बोला था फाइनल्स में वर्ल्ड कप में तब तो हुआ नहीं but he said नहीं तू देख कि जीतेंगे and that's what happened. So what Jai bhai gave you that confidence that these girls are going to win this time? How were you 100% convinced when Jemima was batting in the semi-finals and things weren't looking good कि इस बार तो वर्ल्ड कप अपना है?
अभी तो राहुल भाई मैं मैच खत्म होने के बाद आपसे बात ही नहीं करूंगा. हर बार आप सिगरेट तोड़ देते हो. मैं सिर्फ आपको करेक्ट करना चाहता हूँ कि आप सबको याद होगा कि 2023 में हमने 10 जीत के बाद हमने दिल जीते लेकिन कप नहीं जीते. लेकिन मैंने राजकोट में बोला था कि हम दिल भी जीतेंगे, कप भी जीतेंगे और बारबाडोस पे झंडा भी गाड़ेंगे. और रोहित शर्मा ने बारबाडोस पे झंडा गाड़ दिया. इसलिए मैं आपको करेक्ट करना चाहता हूँ.
100%.
कभी कभार बोलना भी मुश्किल होता है क्योंकि आप लोगों को फेस करना पड़ता है.
नहीं.
जैसे रोहित ने बारबाडोस में झंडा गाड़ा, हमारे कोच ने नवी मुंबई में झंडा गाड़ा.
I think we're also very, very privileged that right now joining us is the very talented Vicky Kaushal.
Give it up for
Give it
Vicky
up for
Kaushal,
him.
guys.
But can I just say for a moment that our cricketing stars have been at least as entertaining, if not more entertaining, than the Bollywood stars.
Always are.
They always are. So, sir, mushkil hone wali. See, they can sing, they can dance, and they win India the World Cup. That is the most deadly combination of all. The true heroes of the country.
Can we invite Vicky to do Toba Toba on stage?
Come, bro, go, Vicky, go!
Go!
Can I get to learn one signature? Your signature special move.
So now you
So that's your batting stance. Okay. You take your bat up and you dip your shoulder basically. Head and shoulder go together. You take your foot heel toe and then you hit it through the covers.
Oh! Good shot.
He doesn't need teaching, man.
In gully cricket, we used to always make a sound with the shot. ठीक था, sir?
This was flawless. Give it up
Brilliant,
for
brilliant.
all of them. And many,
Thank
many
you.
congratulations, ladies, on winning NDTV Indian of the Year. Thank you very much for
And
joining
if
us.
we could just
Thank you
stay
very
on
much.
stage for the gifts as well.
Yes, can we please
Before
get the
you-
gift hampers?
yes, before you guys
And
go-
thank you so much for the inspiration, the passion. India will always cheer for you. Thank you so much once again.
Can we request Vicky Paji, please do the honors?
Our next category is Transformational Leader of the Year. And the nominees are... And to give away the award, we would like to invite on stage the Chief Justice of India, Justice Suryakant,
Pranav Adani,
Dr. Sanjeev Goenka, Jury Chair of Indian of the Year and Chairman, RP Sanjeev Goenka Group.
and of course, NDTV's Rahul Kanwar, who's on stage.
The award for Transformational Leader of the Year goes to Jay Shah.
Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a very warm round of applause, please, for Mr. Jay Shah, one of his very rare media appearances. Stays as far away from the camera light as anyone I know. Can we have a warm round of applause for this special moment and for this special achievement?
Good evening, everyone. First of all, Honorable Chief Justice, sir, thank you so much. Thank you, Sanju Bhai. Thank you, Pranav Bhai. I would like to thank NDTV and jury for this honor and respect. And I would like to dedicate this award to all our girls who won the World Cup. And I would like to add one more name, Mr. Majumdar, because you are also contributed a lot, so it's dedicated to you as well. आप सब जानते हो कि 2019 के बाद बहुत सारे चेंजेस हमने विमेन क्रिकेट में किए. डोमेस्टिक की फीस हमने 700% तक बढ़ाई. हमने WPL लॉन्च किया. WPL अकेले से टुगेदर स्पॉन्सरशिप, मीडिया राइट्स एंड टीम वी रेज मोर देन 6,000 crore rupees. That is due to these girls only. So congratulations for that as well. हमने पे पैरिटी भी किया. ODI, T20 और टेस्ट. ODI में पहले ये सारी लड़कियों को 1 लाख मिलते थे, आज 6 लाख मिल रहे हैं. T20 में 1 लाख मिलते थे, उसके 3 लाख मिल रहे हैं, और टेस्ट में 2.5 लाख से 15 लाख मिल रहे हैं, और उसका परफॉर्मेंस दिख रहा है. बॉटम से टॉप में जाने में बहुत टाइम लगता है, सालों लग जाते हैं, लेकिन टॉप से बॉटम जाने में महीनों लगते हैं. इसलिए मेरी आपको एक ही हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट है, और मेहनत करो, क्योंकि आपको सस्टेन करना है. और सस्टेन क्यों करना है उसका मतलब आप जानते हो कि अभी 2026 में जुलाई में आपको क्या काम करना है. फिर से NDTV आपका बहुत बहुत आभार. जय हिंद, जय भारत, वंदे मातरम.
Pranay bhai, Jay Shah comes from Ahmedabad and in many ways has really been instrumental in getting the attention of the world on cricket, Ahmedabad in particular, women's cricket, giving them the confidence to go out and play against the best in the world.
Yes, I think aptly the award given to the transformational leader. And I must admit the changes that Jay Bhai has been able to do to the sport, really starting all the way from the stadium that we've been able to remake, which is the world's largest seating stadium, the Narendra Modi Stadium, Plus, on top of that, the opportunities given to the women cricket team. And I think really makes not only the sport proud, but makes our Gujarat proud and India proud. Congratulations, Jai.
Thank you. Dr. Goenka, you run an IPL team. Jai, before this, was also running the IPL before moving to the ICC. He ran the BCCI. How is he as an administrator? Tell us something we don't know. You're a management person yourself, so you understand management science. What is his management mantra?
You know, if I had to describe him in 3 words, brilliant, visionary, compassionate. One of the reasons I am in IPL is because of him. One of the reasons cricket in India is where it is because of him. One of the reasons why BCCI is where it is because of him. The way the rights were split between broadcast and digital was because of him. Women's cricket is where it is because of him. World cricket now is where it is because of him. So this is not just a management style. I think it's the beginning of a movement. And this man is so unassuming, so quiet, doesn't talk about it. But it is a textbook case of how to manage, how to brand, and how to commercialize. Unbelievable.
Our next category is a very special one. We've given you a sneak peek, but it is Actor of the Year. To give away this special award, we'd like to invite on stage NDTV's very own Rahul Kaval, our CEO and Editor-in-Chief. A huge round of applause, please. Rohit Khanna, Head Corporate Communications, and Jatin Khanna, Head Corporate Development at the Raymond Group.
And the award is for the Actor of the Year.
The Actor of the Year award goes to Vicky Kaushal.
Most people who come into an audience take some time to warm up and to get started. Vicky Kaushal was in the lift, half the function had already happened, the girls had sung, they danced. He came down and on cue, woo, he brought the show together. That was quite fantastic. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. और thank you to NDTV for this honor. This is truly, truly special. और it's a very humbling honor. Also something which kind of reminds you that it's not just about success, it's about responsibility also. Not just as an actor, but also as an Indian. Since it is for Chhaava, I would just like to take this opportunity to thank my director, my producer, Lakshman Uttekar sir, Dinesh Vijan sir, जिन्होंने मुझ पे भरोसा किया और मुझे ये मौका दिया. And to the audience, thank you for always accepting me, for questioning me, and for always encouraging me to grow. So thank you. This is for you, and this is for also my family and my little one, who's come in as a blessing. Thank you so much. बिल्कुल ये पहली बार मैं शहर छोड़ के आया हूँ after becoming a father, and it was very tough. It was very tough, but I'm sure when he grows up and he watches this, he'll be proud of his dad. So thank you so much.
आज अगर इस मंच से मैं आपको छावा का एक डायलॉग जो आपके दिल के सबसे करीब है, छावा किरदार को निभाते हुए, उन हस्ती को निभाते हुए.
Actually, छावा फिल्म में अंत में एक कविता है
जी
जो इरशाद कामिल साहब ने लिखी है फिल्म में, जो मेरे दिल के बहुत करीब है. वो मेरा फेवरेट सीन है फिल्म में. And it's for all the dreamers and the achievers out there. और ये बहुत सही मंच है वो कहने के लिए कि मन के जीते जीत हैं, मन के हारे हार, हार गए जो बिन लड़े उन पर है धिक्कार, उन पर है धिक्कार जो देखे ना सपना, सपनों का अधिकार असल अधिकार है अपना. So this is for all the dreamers in the world. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause, please, for our Actor of the Year.
Thank you.
Vicky
Thank you,
Kaushal.
NDTV. Thank you so much.
All right, the next category is Debutant Director of the Year.
Every great filmmaker begins with a story told for the first time. This debut stood out for its vision, clarity, and the courage to see cinema differently.
We honor a director whose first web series didn't just introduce talent, it revealed promise and purpose.
To give away this award, we'd like to invite back on stage, if we have Mr. Dr. Sanjeev Goenka, Chairman RP Sanjeev Goenka Group. All right. Of course, he's also the chair of the jury for the NDTV Indian of the Year 2025. We'd like to have on stage Kalyani Saha Chawla, founder and CEO, Raison Luxury Silverware.
Shalini Pasi, art and design collector, philanthropist.
And of course, Rahul Kanwal, CEO and editor-in-chief, NDTV.
So I'm absolutely delighted to announce today the NDTV Debutant Director of the Year is Aryan Khan.
Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause for Aryan Khan.
Aryan, many congratulations.
गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन। सबसे पहले मैं अपने कास्ट, क्रू और नेटफ्लिक्स को थैंक यू कहना चाहता हूँ, जिन्होंने एक फर्स्ट टाइम डायरेक्टर पर इतना भरोसा किया और मेरे साथ इतने प्यार, मेहनत और एंथुजियाज्म के साथ काम किया। कंग्रेचुलेशंस टू ऑल द विनर्स टुनाइट। ये मेरा पहला अवार्ड है एंड आई होप मुझे और भी बहुत सारे अवार्ड्स मिलेंगे, क्योंकि मेरे डैड की तरह मुझे भी अवार्ड्स बहुत पसंद है। पर ये अवार्ड उनके लिए नहीं है, ये अवार्ड मेरी मॉम के लिए, क्योंकि मेरी मॉम मुझसे हमेशा कहती, जल्दी सोना, लोगों का मजाक नहीं उड़ाना और गाली गलोच बिल्कुल नहीं। और आज इन्हीं सब चीज़ों के लिए एनडीटीवी ने मुझे ये अवार्ड दे दिया। So thank you NDTV for making my mom the happiest woman in the world. And I know आज घर जाके मुझे थोड़ी कम डांट पड़ेगी। Thank you.
Alex, over to you.
So for anybody that's grown up in the 90s, I have two words for you: carbon copy. Yes, but he's carving his own path, and I think he deserves a huge round of applause for that.
Thank you so much.
And for people who know him well, I'm going to go to Shalini here to say a couple of words, yes?
So this is just impromptu and just actually Aryan's grandmother is here. So I'm going to put her in the spotlight, if that's okay. Are you sure? Please, you have to say something.
I'm very happy. He's been so successful. And that's all. And all my blessings. I love you the most. You're my most loved grandson. And today I'm so proud that at this age I'm just hearing about my grandson, that his achievement has been honored by the whole country.
I love you नानी, और मैं प्रॉमिस करता हूँ अगला अवार्ड आपका है।
Thank you.
All right, a huge round of applause for Aryan Khan.
Congratulations, Aryan. Moving on now, our next category is Climate Impact of the Year, and the nominees are
To give away the award, we'd like to invite on stage His Excellency Philip Green, Australian High Commissioner to India, Ranjan Sodhi, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna awardee and Olympian shooter,
and Mr. Ram Agarwal, whole-time director and CEO, ProStar M, one of the leading companies engaged in the manufacturing and supply of power solution products in India.
Good evening, all of you. And the winner is
Manvendra Singh Shekhawat.
Before you leave, Manvendra, could we please present a token of our appreciation from our gifting partner, Manav Gangwani.
All right, moving on now. Our next category is Science Icon of the Year, and the nominees are
And to give away the award, we'd like to invite on stage Rajiv Memani, Chairman and CEO EY India and member of the Indian of the Year jury.
Adya Ajay Singh, Vice Chairman, Darwin Platform Group of Companies, a conglomerate with strong Indian roots driving innovation across multiple high-growth industries.
Aishwarya Shinoy, the head of marketing, Hindustan Pencils. Tonight's awards truly embody the spirit of boldness, a belief that lies at the heart of what Natraj by Hindustan Pencils stands for.
Can we have you on stage, please?
And the awardee is G. Madhvi Lata.
This is for everyone who thought that women don't do science. First of all, ma'am, right for starters, what an iconic picture. You have to tell us all the story behind this picture because you literally had 1,000 stories on Instagram, 1,000 memes behind that one picture on the Chenab Bridge.
Thank you so much. First of all, I would like to dedicate this award to Indian Railways for their vision, commitment, and hard work in fulfilling our country's dream of connecting Jammu and Kashmir with the rest of the country by train. And I also share this award with every engineer who has contributed to this iconic national project. Thank you so much. And about the picture that you have seen, which has become viral in media, the picture was clicked by my daughter when I took for the first time my family to show the bridge. And that was, it was not thought to be for any media. It is a very personal picture, but that became viral. I'm glad it actually inspired many girls in the country.
There it is, there it is.
Thank you so much. A super scientist, super mom, and very, very sporting. Huge round of applause for Professor Madhvi Lata.
Thank you so much, ma'am, and thank you, Padmaja. But
So much.
Vedika, as we said, this one was a tie. And to give away the second award, we'd like to invite back on stage the presenting party, Vijay Harinath Singh and Balwant Harinath Singh, Vice Chairman, Darwin Platform Group of Companies, and of course, NDTV's very own Rahul Kaval.
And the award for NDTV Science Icon of the Year goes to
Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla.
Congratulations.
This guy here is 5 years younger than me, but I'm still not going to call him Shuks or Shubhanshu. He's Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla, because to earn that rank takes a lifetime of service. So salute to you, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Incredible privilege to share a frame with you here. I'm going to start it off by asking you, do you miss space?
No, absolutely. I would take any chance to go back.
If you're given an opportunity to go back, like in the next few months, your family will have no problem with it, just go back?
I would probably do what I did the first time. I will not tell them, and I would apply. So they would, of course, have a problem with me going.
Yeah, you know, see, Group Captain Shukla, from the time that you were announced as an astronaut till the time you blasted off, there were lots of delays and hiccups and things like that. During that time, did your family, try to talk you out of it? Were there moments where they were, ye kya ho raha hai?
No, actually not, and I'm so thankful to them. They have been extremely supportive, even though at times, they feel that, tension and anxiousness, but they have never let it come out. But I will tell you one thing, I will share you. When I splashed down and I came back to India and I met my mother for the first time, the first thing that she said to me was, "Ki beta bas ab ho gaya, ab mat jana." So I think that feeling was always there, but they have been extremely supportive, and I have never felt anything from their side but support.
A big hand for Group Captain.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
out of this world, literally. And now for the final, most special honor this evening, the moment we've all been waiting for, Vedika.
Absolutely, the NDTV Indian of the Year. I would like to call on stage NDTV's Vishnu Som and Shiva Rur.
Well, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Here we are. It is time for the final honor of the evening. For more than a year, we've been working through an incredible jury process. We've been working through our own thoughts, and we've been working towards this moment, a moment where we honor the finest in India.
We have a very strange thing in our country where we have peacetime and wartime as two separate things. And if there's one thing that 2025 has taught us, and Vishnu and I have seen it up close, in India, there is no peacetime. And that's why there is no year like this year to pay tribute to the Indian soldier.
Ladies and gentlemen, for 2025, the NDTV Indian of the Year honor goes to the Indian soldier. A big round of applause for the Indian soldier. Our soldiers from the Army, Air Force, and the Indian Navy.
And we'd also like to be joined on stage by Air Marshal Ashutosh Dikshit. He's the Chief of India's Integrated Defense Staff. In this officer, ladies and gentlemen, is embodied the best of the three armed forces as one. He belongs to the Air Force, but he embodies what jointness means and what Operation Sindoor really symbolized, the three armed forces coming together in an incredible joint mission against a rival. Colonel Koshank Lamba Veer Chakra, please come up. And a big hand as I call out the names, please.
Lieutenant Colonel Sushil Bishk, Veer Chakra.
Naib Subedar Satish Kumar, Veer Chakra.
Group Captain Manish Arora, Veer Chakra.
Group Captain Kunal Kalra, Veer Chakra.
Wing Commander Joy Chandra, Veer Chakra.
And Commander Saurabh Kumar, Nausena Medal Gallantry.
So as we promised you, never, perhaps in Indian news television, have we had so many Gallantry Award winners, Veer Chakra winners, Nausena Medal Gallantry Award winners on the stage, and we feel so privileged to actually have this moment.
We've had Bollywood stars, we've had singers, we've had cricketers, but nothing beats having the Indian soldier and so much collective individual bravery up on the stage on behalf of the NDTV team, and more importantly on behalf of every single Indian citizen, for your bravery, for your valor, for what you did on the battlefield. Thank you so much. We're all very, very proud of you.